Use this oil to tighten your loose breast in just 1 month. The aging process and breastfeeding may make your breasts lose shape. This is a problem for millions of women around the world that they can't seem to fix. If you're suffering from it as well, you've come to the right place. We have a great natural mixture that will reinforce your breasts and recover their shape. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Preparation and use: put the ingredients in a pot and heat them up, cooking until the seeds gain a slightly darker color. Now, take the pot off heat and leave the mixture to cool down for a bit before using it. Rub it on your breast in circular motion for 10 minutes. Begin from the base and go upwards slowly. Repeat the process 2-3 times a day for a week and your breasts will regain their lost shape. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.